So far you should be progressing along fairly well. You got the content of your page, you got a Fusion slider. I want to show you how to get your menu system set up really quick. As you can see here, we don't have any menu up at the top. We do have the logo over here, but all we see is the Fusion slider. So to do that from your dashboard, what you want to do is go to Appearance, and then from there, I want you to go to Menus. So here in the menus, you can see the pages that we've actually created, the home and the blog page, and those are the only ones that we've had so far. And so go ahead, click those two, and then you add to menu. Once they go over here, then you can manipulate them just a little bit. If you have any kind of attributes or menu icon, anything like that, you can associate that with that. And you can also play with the Fusion Mega Menu, which just makes it just makes them really big, in other words. And so also what you can do is if you have anything like a hierarchy of sorts, what you can do is you can drag these. And so if you drag it over it and make it a sub item, basically you'll have the blog, and then underneath that will be the home page. And so if you have any like main topic with subtopics, you can do that. And also you can just move these around any way that you like. Okay, and that's how, and this is the order that they'll appear right there. Click main navigation and top navigation. And then all you do at that point is you hit save. Okay. And then you'll get the confirmation that the main menu has been updated. All right, very good. So when you come back here to check to see if the menu worked, there it is. We have the home and the blog. So it actually worked just fine. Now I want to show you another option really quick. If you go to Appearance and Theme Options, I want to show you how you can actually choose different headers so it'll look a little bit different as well. I'd gone over this before in the theme options, but go to your header. And so currently, this one right here is selected, but we can make it look a little bit different as well. Maybe let's try this one really quick, save changes, and we're going to try to preview this and see if it looks any different. Yeah, okay, very good. And so there you can see how it actually changes the look of the menu. Of course, there's a lot of different options. I had talked about these options before as far as the header goes. Let's make sure that the sticky header is on as well. Sticky header just simply means that when you slide down, the header will stay with it. And let's save changes. We'll refresh this really quick and we'll see if it works. All right, yep. There we go. And so that doesn't look really good right there in the middle of his head, but that's just to show you that as far as the header goes, there's a lot of different options that you can choose. Maybe we can choose this one really quick. We'll take a look, see what that looks like. So yep, doesn't look very good, but again, this is just a lot of things that you can do. And so we have our menu all set up. As you add more pages, then you'll be able to add more selections to it, but pretty easy to set up overall.